Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. On this channel I upload videos every day and I share DIY crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to upload skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to grow our given crown by our God. So you know what friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now, because this will help us like the videos to be shared to different people so that it can reach different people so that we grow this channel. And you know what, like I embarked on this journey to grow my medium natural hair. I want my hair to be the way it used to be. Like, see this clip. Yes, so that is what I want to achieve. But of course, you know, it takes patience, you know, and consistency. So now, like I did this simple braids. Actually, I have done a video. Actually, I did a video. Yes, I'll link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. Like I did this simple twist. So I decided to go for twists because they come in very handy and they're very simple to do actually. So like I'll be deep conditioning in twist, you know, moisturizing in twist, you know, hot oil in twist, and etc etc. So now like I'll be doing everything in twist and I'll be keeping in this twist for
At this
a
point, I'm
month,
just
and
showing
then
you how our twists looks
during the
like.
month we'll be
Yes, they're
washing
still
our
looking
hair in
good.
twist
Like,
until
I'm
we
so
do
passionate about
another
growing my
protective
medium
style
natural hair. So you have to make sure that
the
you
same like this,
moisturize in
twist for
between
6
your
months. That's
washes. Or
what I'll be
I'm going to show
doing.
you how you can
Yes.
make this massive hair growth mist, you know, as we want to grow our hair in twists. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So this is how the mist actually looks like. So if you want to make this hair mist to promote hair growth while in twists or in your braids, make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So we are going to use rosemary, that is 20 grams of our rosemary, and peppermint, that is 20 grams as well. So rosemary will prevent dandruff. Rosemary can help actually to prevent dandruff by nourishing and moisturizing the scalp, promotes hair growth, you know, helps it actually has the abilities to boost hair growth through increasing circulation within the scalp. So clinical studies have been done and proven that rosemary is effective as minoxidil, the ingredient in Rogaine, in hair growth over a period of time. It actually softens hair. It will make your hair look shinier even just after the first application. Like, you'll notice your hair will be soft. So rosemary improves both hair thickness and hair growth. Peppermint can cause a cold, a tingling feeling when it increases circulation to the area applied. This can help promote hair growth during anagen or growing phase. One study found that peppermint actually, when used on mice, increased the number of follicles, depth, and overall hair growth. So make sure that you cover it and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, so peppermint actually is also good for, like, a study published in toxicological research suggests that peppermint softens solution, actually promotes growth because of the menthol. The main component in peppermint has shown to increase blood flow to the scalp or applied area, or where it is applied, hence promote growth. So at this point we are straining our, you know, hair mist, this powerful stimulating hair growth mist. So we are getting our spray bottle and we are going to transfer our mist into our bottle. And of course I made a 250-gram batch, and I'll be using products which don't promote build up. Yes, so I'll be using lighter products so that we don't actually have buildup, because we want to be keeping in our protective hairstyle for 1 month. So that is how it looks like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So at this point, you can add in your preservative to prevent microbial growing in your product, or you can store it in the fridge for 5 days. But I want to be using this mist for long term, so I wouldn't want to be remaking and remaking. That's the reason why I'm preserving it. So actually I added 1% of our natural preservative, which is UX 712. Yes, subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of such videos. So now at this point, make sure that you shake it so that the preservative is well combined. Yes, that is how it looks like. It looks perfect, right? Have you seen that? It's going to promote growth in as much as we are trying to achieve length.
You know what, friends? Like, I'm so thrilled because I embarked on a journey to grow my medium natural hair to have length, because I want my hair to be get back to where it used to be. Like, look at this peak. Yes, so that is where I want it to be. And I've embarked on doing twists. I'll be doing twists for 6 months. So, like, I'll be moisturizing in twist, deep conditioning in twist, and hot oil in twist, something I have never done before, and etc. etc. And I'm so enthusiastic and I'm so passionate about this, and I love challenges because they help me, like, to go forward and to be focused on growing my natural hair. So now, like, you need to be ahead of moisture. So, like, I'll be doing DIY, strengthening oils, uh, mists which promote hair growth, so that we can actually achieve our goal. So, like, if you're interested or you want to grow your medium natural hair to a certain length, you can actually join me in this challenge. You are not yet late. Actually, I started yesterday. Yes, so, like, I had actually done a video on how I did this twist. Yes, you can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So now, like, I had tied my twists into two, like, so now I've just undone them, and it's time to moisturize our hair. So, like, you need to keep up on moisturizing to be ahead of moisture, so that you don't experience any breakage. Your hair will be more moisturized. Yes. Like, I love simple hairstyles, which do not wreak havoc on our edges. So, as you can see, like, they're not pulling on our edges. Like, they are so loose. So, like, I'm super excited. And you know what? I'm one person who don't give up easily. So, like, I'll stop when I achieve my goal.
So once I'm done, like, applying our moisturizing hair growth mist, I'm going in with some coconut oil. So, like, my favorite oil. I've done quite a number of videos on coconut oil. I'll link them in the description box below. The reason why I use it, and its importance. So we are sealing in the moisture so that it doesn't escape from our hair, so that our hair stays moisturized. So I'm using coconut oil, which is one of my favorite oil. I've done a video on how special coconut oil is. I'll link it in the description box below. But of course, you can go in with different oils like argan oil, lavender, not lavender, of course. It's olive oil, argan oil. Yes, like, there are quite a number of oils, avocado oil. Yes, whatever oil of your preference, but I love coconut oil. So make sure that you seal in that moisture so that it doesn't escape, so that it lasts for more longer days until our next moisturizing. Yes, so, like, I'm just working it throughout our hair. So now I'm going to do a simple style. Like, I'm just going to gather the hair together and put it in a high bun, in a bun. Yes, but not something tight, something simple. You don't have to experience a headache. Yes, so I'm just gathering the hair together, or rather the twist together, and then I'm going to get a thread, and then I'm going to tie loosely. Yes, loosely. You don't want to experience any pain, because beauty shouldn't pain. Yes. So like, I want to grow my hair, and prayer is one of my priority in as much as we are doing this challenge, because the Bible tells us that without me, you are nothing. You cannot do anything without God. And God knows the number of hairs we have on the head. Yes. So that is how it looks like. Like, my hair is so moisturized. I love this mist, and it's going to promote hair growth. Yes. So dear friends, like, you can comment in the section below if you have used twists before to grow your natural hair as a protective hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.